So good morning, class. Before I start, let's have a prayer first. Please, Amoren, can you please lead the prayer? We are awesome. Okay. Say, our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Give us this day our daily bread, as we forgive those who So let's check our attendance first. Amoren Angel, present. Salizon Rugui, present. Kuyaw Angelique, present. Okay. So present. So before I start, I want to unlock this picture first. So can someone identify what is this? Miss Kuyaw. Man versus destiny? Yes. This one? Miss Amoren, man versus man. Yes. This one? Miss Aludon? Man versus himself. Yes, very good. This one? Man versus nature. Yes, good. This one? Man versus nature. Yes, good. You're so good at saying that. This one? Miss Alisa? Man versus nature. Very good. And lastly, this one? Man versus nature. Yes, very good.
So, hello, good morning. So, to continue our discussion, so thank you, Ma'am Merit. So, for today's topic is all about the types of conflict. So, a while ago, Ma'am Merit provide a picture for you and for us so that we can identify what kind of conflict it is. So, those are conflicts. For today, lesson objectives, can you read Miss Amory?
First is to identify different conflicts. Second, analyze the process of the conflict and its effect on the main characters and plot development. The last one is to explain how the conflict is resolved and evaluate its impact on the storyline element.
Very good. You're a great reader. So there are two types of conflict, namely external and internal conflict. So what is external conflict? Do you have any idea? From the word external. So it's all about the outside world. Those are man versus nature, man versus society, man versus technology. So on what those internal conflicts?
Man versus man, man versus himself.
Yes, so the internal conflict is all about the character's mind, like feelings, values, and beliefs. So man versus self. Can we read Miss Salison?
Man versus self is a powerful type of internal conflict that explores the complexities of a character's inner world.
So man versus self. So it is an example of internal conflict because it is the character's feelings or values. And the next one is man versus man. Can you read Miss Riel?
Man versus man. This conflict arises from the clash of personality, goals, beliefs, or lives between individuals. It often involves a struggle for power, resources, or control, and can be driven by various motivations such as ambition, revenge, jealousy, or personality.
So man versus man is an example of external conflict. So man versus nature. Can you read Miss Amory?
So man versus nature. This conflict arises from the character's struggle against natural elements like storms, wild animals, harsh weather,
example of
Man versus external.
external conflict. Very good. Very good. So man versus technology. I will be the one who will. Man versus technology. This is a type of conflict often raises questions about the ethical implications of technological advancement, the potential risks of relying technology, and the importance of maintaining human control over its development. So this is an example of external conflict. So man versus society. Can you read this video? This will be the last. No, I have some activities prepared here. So, can you read first, Miss Bill?
Man versus life. Conflict arises in the garbage defiance of societal structure, beliefs, or values, often leading to a struggle for individual freedom, justice, or the right to live authentically.
So, thank you, my very good and demure students. So, I have here some scenarios that you're going to identify what kind of conflict it is. So, get one and pass. After reading, can you identify the conflict? No, read in your eyes only after reading, after you identify. So, go. Are you ready to?
So the statement that I've chosen is a group of hikers in a remote mountain trail in the Himalayas have dropped in a sudden blizzard. Their communication devices are disabled. The temperature plummets rapidly. They have limited supplies and no response at all. So obviously this statement is man versus nature because based in a problems in nature over there, right?
Thank you. So next, Miss Salazon. Can you tell them when is your
The talented young artist Maya from a conservative family in a small town discovers her passion is her street art. However, her family and community frown upon this form of expression, considering it rebellious and disrespectful. So for me, the scenario is man versus society.
Yes, very good. So, next, Miss Dion. Stand in front then with your classmates. Or where are you drinking some sisal?
So the scenario goes like this: a brilliant but socially awkward programmer, Ethan, has developed a groundbreaking artificial intelligence program that can solve conflict problems and make predictions. He believes it has potential to revolutionize various fields, but the program starts to exhibit alarming behavior, questioning its own existence and enforcement. So for me, the scenario is man versus technology.
So thank you for all your participation. So, I know that you already understand our topic and you are doing good. So let's try to answer this one. This is a summative test so that I can evaluate. You have already absorbed how the topic goes and so that I can understand and explain it further. If you cannot understand the way I teach you. So this will be recorded. So then this will be recorded. No. Thank you. So
Siguro man versus nature.
no. Yeah. Man versus man. Batman versus against Joker. So that is an example of man versus man.
So man versus nature is an example of man
Man
versus
versus
man.
Since I am a boy and you're a girl, so woman versus man. So this will be recorded and the answer is 5 minutes. Just identify, get your pin, then throw your bag away.
Picture cancel.
Oh yeah. So that is 10 questions. Just identify the conflicts in that scenario or what is asked.
What is asked
No cheating, please. No discussion. I will be giving you 5 minutes. After that, then will pass. Oh, wow. You're so brilliant, huh? No, don't pass. That exchange with your cheatmate. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Exchange with your cheatmate. So, number 1. Oh yes, you can. You may. So, number 1, what is the answer for number 1, Miss Uyaw?
Me, sir, me. Man versus technology.
Oh yes, man versus technology. No other answer, huh? Man versus technology. So, number 2, Miss Alison.
Man versus nature.
Yes, man versus nature. Very good. Number 3, Miss Uyaw. Miss Uyaw, can we answer the number 3?
Man versus man.
Yes, very good. Don't laugh up because we are doing some serious matter. So number 4.
Number 4, sir, kay man versus man.
Yes, very good. Man versus man. Number 5.
Man versus technology.
Yes, very good. 6.
Man versus nature.
Yes, very good. 7.
Man versus faith.
Yes, very good. 8.
Man versus sound.
Oh yes. 9.
Man versus nature.
Oh yes. Oh no.
Man versus man, sir.
Oh yes, man versus man. And the last.
Man versus religion.
Can we count the number of check?
Perfect.
So who got perfect?
Me, sir.
Very good. So you've already absorbed all the topic that I have been discussed. I am a good teacher.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you that you have learned something from me. So for your performance class, I will sending link in the GC. Can you check it? Then read the story. Then there are some following questions. Then can we answer it independently, honestly. Don't use ChatGPT or any AI because that is man versus technology. So can you stand up? Then let us pray for the dismissal. I want to ask Salison. Goodbye, students. See you on January 2025 because we have Christmas gift. Goodbye.